Hi, it's Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa police clearance, kung paano ba tayo magpa-appointment para dun sa ating police clearance. Ituturo ko sa inyo guys step by step kung paano ba tayo mag-set ng appointment via online. Make sure lang guys na mayroon kayong active email address saka active mobile number. Kasi kailangan natin dito sa pag-set ng appointment dito sa ating police clearance. Una guys, open natin ang ating browser, then i-type natin pnpclearance.ph. Ito yung official website ng PNP Clearance. Para mapag-set tayo ng appointment, kailangan natin na mag-register dito guys sa kanilang website. I-click lang natin to yung register. Then, i-click lang natin tong begin. So, choose all the bags. So, i-select lang natin dito guys kung anong pinapagawa niya dito sa confirmation. Then, confirm. Ayan, so success na siya guys. Dito sa terms and condition, basahin natin to guys, lahat ng terms and condition ng PNP para dun sa process ng pagkuha natin ng police clearance. Na once na nabasa na natin, i-check lang natin itong agreement, then privacy policy. Then, click natin yung next. Then, check natin to, once na nabasa natin, then click natin tong next. Ayan, so failure of payment and cancellation of transaction. Failure to pay your transaction 2 banking days before the scheduled appointment date means cancellation of your transaction. Kailangan mabayaran natin ito within 2 days. Kapag hindi na natin nabayaran agad itong appointment natin within 2 days, automatic na makakancel yung ating appointment. Then clearing printout, all hit of the record applicant as found in the PNP crime databases will be reflected in the clearance printout with the corresponding status of such hit records. So, i-check natin to. Then, click natin yung next. Validity of clearance. So, 6 month yung validity ng clearance natin. So, check natin yun guys. Then, renewal. The National Police Clearance may be renewed without appearance of 3 years from the last appearance, provided that the following steps are undertaken by the applicant. Renewed without appearance for 3 years. So, within 3 years, pwede tayo mag-renew. Hindi na kailangan yung appearance natin sa kanila. Then, valid IDs in applying National Police Clearance. So, i-check natin guys. So, kailangan yung ID natin daw, not expired, original and not photocopied, then with clear photo and signature, then bear full name. So, ito yung may accept nilang valid ID ng police clearance. Then, click natin yung I agree. Yan. So, kailangan natin fill upan to guys yung new applicant registration. So, kailangan natin ilagay yung active email address natin. Then, password. So, mag-create tayo ng password natin dito. Ito yung password guidelines natin, guys. Then, ilagay natin yung first name, middle name, saka yung surname. Dito naman sa qualifier, so, halimbawa, junior, junior 2, senior, or 1, or the second or the third. So, iselect natin dito, guys. Pero kung hindi, wag na natin siyang fill upan. Then, gender, then date of birth. Then, after natin ma-fill upan, guys, click natin itong register. Ayan, then after natin ma-fill upan guys, i-click natin tong register. Do you want to save it? Please check all the information before you proceed. Editing is not allowed after savings. So hindi na natin siya ma-edit once na na-click natin tong save. Kaya make sure na tama yung information dun sa form na pinil upan natin. Since tayo sure naman yung nalagay natin na information, so i-click natin tong save. Ayan, so nakalagay dito, registration complete. Please log in to your account. After natin makapag-register, punta po tayo sa ating Gmail para i-confirm yung link na sinend ni PNP Clearance. And so, antayin mo natin yung confirmation from PNP Clearance dun sa ating email. Ayun guys, chinek natin yung ating email. So, hanggang ngayon wala pa tayong natatanggap na link from PNP Clearance dito sa ating Gmail. So, kahit dito sa spam, wala rin guys. Wala rin siyang sinesend. Kaya gagawin natin ngayon, mag-forgot password tayo guys. Kasi minsan yung confirmation, baka nagkaroon ng traffic or na-delay yung pag-send sa atin ng link ng PNP Clearance. So gawin natin mag-forgot password tayo. Click lang natin yung forgot password. Then ilagay natin yung email natin dito guys. Then send password reset link. So check natin yung ating email. So meron natin natanggap na application forgot password. And forgot password link. I-click lang natin to guys yung click here to change your password. And then maglagay tayo ng bagong password dito, new password, then confirm password. Then click natin yung save new password. Relogin your account. So ilagyan natin. Then sign in. Ayun siya guys. So nandito na tayo sa PNP Clearance dashboard natin. So, kailangan natin yan ma-fill upan lahat. So, fill upan natin. Then, save natin. Then, pagkatapos guys, i-click natin itong clearance application. And select appointment. Ano ba yung purpose natin? General, Health, Sosya. So, itong general, so ibig sabihin kalahatan yan guys. For example, ito yung trabaho. Dito naman sa LTOPF application, halimbawa kukuha tayo ng license ng baril. So, ito yung isi-check natin. Then, Sosya. Then, select police station. Kung saan mas malapit sa inyo na police station, kung saan nyo kukunin yung police clearance ninyo. So, makikita nyo naman dito guys, kung ano yung available na malapit sa inyo na police station. Then, i-select natin dito guys, kung kailan natin pipikapin yung ating police clearance. Ang available lang dito guys, ito siya, yung naka-blue. May nakalagay naman dito AM or PM. Then, click natin yung next. And so, i-select natin dito guys, yung payment of method natin. So, ang available lang dito, Land Bank of the Philippines. Pero hindi naman totally na dun sa Land Bank mismo tayo magbabayad guys. Pwede natin bayaran ito sa mga accredited payment method ng PNP clearance. So, select natin to. And so, nandito na yung babayaran natin, 150 pesos yung babayaran natin dito. Then, click natin yung next. And so, nandito na yung ano natin guys, police station, kung saan natin kukunin. Then, yung schedule nandito na rin. Then, payment option. Once you click save appointment, here the next step. So, makakatanggap tayo ng reference number once na naklik natin tong save. Transaction detail will be sent to your email. So, yung transaction natin, makakatanggap natin dun sa ating email. So, gawin lang natin guys, i-click natin tong save appointment. Then, scroll down lang natin. Then, wag natin kalimutan na i-print to guys, yung print transaction details. Ito kasi dadalhin natin pagpunta natin dun sa police station kung saan natin kukunin yung ating police clearance. So, i-click natin to guys, yung click here to pay for more payment option. So, click here to pay for more payment option. Then, sa bandang baba guys, payment mode. Then, i-select natin dito kung saan natin siya babayaran. So, nandito yung Land Bank of the Philippines, cash payment, GCash, Maya, ShopeePay, and GrabPay via MYEG. Then, Asia United Bank o AUB, BPI, PS Bank, RCBC, Robinson Bank, Union Bank. Then, i-enter natin dito yung CAPTCHA na nakikita natin dito. Then, after that, i-check natin to guys yung terms and condition. Then, click natin yung continue. Okay lang natin guys. Pwede natin direkta na bayaran na dito guys. Yung GCash, Paymaya, ShopeePay, GrabPay. Then, pwede naman over the counter. So, enter lang natin to guys. So, pwede tayo magbayad sa 7-Eleven, Cebuana, Robinson, BDO, Pay and Go, posible MoneyGram, EasyPay, Bayad Center, or Palawan Express. Pero ang i-share ko sa inyo yung GCash. So, click natin yung GCash. Kasi ito madalas kasi mayroon tayo lahat. Then, proceed. Then, okay. Then kailangan natin ilagin dito yung ating GCash. Yan. So, ilagin natin yung ating GCash dito para makapagbayad na tayo. Then, next natin, makatanggap tayo ng OTP dun sa ating number. Then, click natin yung next. Then, ilagay natin yung MPIN natin dun sa GCash. Then, next. So, 180 yung ating babayaran dito guys kasi mayroon siyang additional fee. So, click lang natin tong pay 180 pesos. Ayun siya guys, okay na. Payment result. Ito yung transaction receipt natin. So, click lang natin tong print para ma-print natin. And then, save natin. Ayun siya guys, pagpunta natin sa PNP Police Station kung saan tayo naka-schedule, huwag natin kalimutan na dalhin yung receipt ng payment natin saka yung transaction details natin. Yung sabi ko kanina sa inyo na i-print natin, ito siya guys. Ito lang yung dalhin natin saka yung valid ID. Ayun guys, ganun na yung pag-appointment via online sa police clearance. I hope na nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede nyo comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated kung may mga bago tayong tutorial na i-upload sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po and God bless. See you in the next video.